folks, welcome to the channel Rockin' the Country. I'm Don. I do non-pop country music reactions here, and I've not done the Ozark Mountain Daredevils. I just got their song Chicken Train or Chicken Train Stomp. Nobody requested it. I saw an article recently about bands from like the 70s and 80s that few people remember. But like these bands had some good careers where they had, a couple of hits and then they kind of disappeared on some level. So anyway, I'm like, I'm going to do this one. So swap hats here, put on my Cajun hat that Renee got me. Renee, thank you again, my dear. All right. And I don't know this song. I mean, I've heard of the Ozark Mountain Daredevils back in the day. Didn't really get into their stuff. Nice intro there to the harm mountain I got. See a guy like with a washboard like that.
Chicken train, running all day. Chicken train, running all day. Chicken train, running all day. I can't get on, I can't get off. Chicken train, chickens away.
The heck's a chicken train? Chicken train. Boing, 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 boing.
Laser beam in my dreams. Laser beam in my dreams. Laser beam in my dream. I can't get on, I can't get off. Laser beam like a sawed-off dream.
How do you get on a laser beam? Making chicken noises. This has to be drug induced. I mean, these are grown adults doing this. And I approve of it. The song.
Chicken train, running all day. Chicken train, running all day.
Here it comes.
Chicken train, running all day. I can't get on, I can't get off. Chicken train, chickens away.
You could just see people at a campfire losing their minds if they started playing this. Nobody knows what it's about. But it's fun. You're like the Frank Zappa of Ozark music or something. God. Who was that guy that had that midnight show, the midnight special show? Well, Dick Clark had some things, but Bert, or I don't know. This is one of these songs. Like, I'd listen to this way before I listened to disco. This was nuts. Does anybody know what this is about? Like, it's got to be just Is it about the craziness of life? Well, he can't get on the chicken train. He can't get off it. And then he can't get on the laser beam. He can't get off it. What is that about? I don't know. I can't even rate this song. The instrumentation was fun. The lunacy was fun. I gotta leave this one be, folks. I can't analyze the lyrics because I don't even know what they mean. But maybe you guys could help me out. I got nothing. The instrumentation was a blast, though. I've got to say, I would have fun with this if they played it. Maybe it was just about a nothing burger type song that was still fun. All right, guys. What do I say? Have a great day. See you on another video if you don't bail and keep rocking the country.
Chicken train, running all day. Chicken train, running all day. I can't get on, I can't get off. Chicken train, take a chickens away.